Hello, Figma users, Figma designers. I want to show you a very simple explanation. What is hug and what is feel? Okay, so we have here a button example or a div. So we have a fixed width, and same fixed width, but here this is a hug and a feel. So I am hug and I'm the boss. So if the parent container move, the text will not follow because the hug is the boss. See? So the hug is the boss. So how about if you use feel? So I'm a feel and I follow to my parent. So if you move, it follows. Move, it follows. It's simple. Bye bye.